What's good today? Big squad. I got prime truck today. I'm in the Ford Transit, but this is what I have. I had 127 stops today. Like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new. We're gonna get started with today's video. I've been in remission with training and going to the gym. I'll probably talk about it later in a different video, but it's a lot going on, so that's why I haven't been posting. But make sure you stay tuned. So yeah. All right, y'all. It is currently 12:47. I have a whole lot of stops left, but I'm at a breaking point right now. This is the van I'm walking with today. It's pretty dope. It's got the camera in it. I'm being cautious. It's kind of hot here. I took my shirt off, but I have Nike under it. But I done did these right here. These are my next two stops in this neighborhood, and that's the rest of the overflow. But yeah, we about to get moving. That 4K camera. I'm in traffic right now, so just waiting for them to clear us so we can go. I think they're paving the road, so I'm just cooling it right now. Oh yeah, I'm currently at 76 stops left. All right, update y'all. Currently at 70 stops. It is 1:39. Got 127 stops. I'll be done soon. But that's what I'm working with. I'm on this bag right now. I put all the envelopes next to it, and I done did like 4 bags, so I'm moving. All right, update y'all. I got all this stuff left right here. All the other things are gone. I got like, those are returns. Those two at the top right there are returns, and no one behind it. I got to deliver. But I got 18 stops left, so I'm sweating. My neck all muscly and stuff. What in the world going on? Bro, that's so much fun being in this. A lot of room too. I'm like, that's how far I am from the roof. So, but I am about to deliver these packages. Where's the one? No, that's not it. Nope, that's not it. Hours later. Bro, I've been putting in work, bro. All right, that's all I did right here. That's all the toast done, and then that's the rest. I smell like crazy, bro. Yo, it's been a minute since I vlogged, bro. But this is where I'm at today. This is beautiful, man. I'm in Peachland, Polkton, North Carolina right now, delivering. But bro, look at that, even behind me. Like I usually see this in like National Geographic or like somebody's doing like a documentary or something. But to do this like while delivering, like this is crazy, bro. That is beautiful. This is a work truck right here. That is beautiful, man. There's nobody out here. That's wild. I just want to stay out here. Look at that. So much place I haven't seen and explored. Man, I'm at a different point right now, like further down, a different road. But that's this side. I'm about to go to the other side real quick. Make sure nobody coming. Oh, this is so lit, man. I know people come out here and fish all the time. That's wild, bro. I'm kind of glad I came on this route, bro. It's pretty cool.